Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Quantifiers. So students, today I have taken a very good question. All of you should see this video. Definitely you learn a lot. Okay, so now let's come to the question. So students, anyone who has not tried this question, you can pause this video, give this question a try. Okay, I hope now all of you have tried it. Now students, you can see here they are asking about the fourth meeting, right? And students, if you solve it manually, I mean, if you solve this question by each meeting, right? Let's say, where will they meet for the first time? Then where will they meet for the second time? Students, it is going to take a lot of time. Now, I'll tell you a very good concept and then we'll discuss the question. See, you just need to remember one thing. This concept will work everywhere. Now, let's say I'm assuming that Rahul is starting from the left hand side, okay, and Nitish is starting from the right hand side. Okay, Rahul is starting from the left hand side, Nitish is starting from the right hand side. Now, students, just remember one thing. Whoever is the faster one, okay, listen to me very carefully now. Whoever is the faster one, he will meet the slower one always in his own round. Okay, what I mean to say is, faster one जब भी अपना round लेगा, okay, whenever the faster one will take his own round, he will meet the slower one definitely. तो जब फास्टर वाला अपना राउंड लेगा तो स्लोअर वाले को वो कहीं ना कहीं डेफिनेटली मीट करेगा. बट देयर इज एन एक्सेप्शन टू दिस. ओके, अब एक्सेप्शन सुन लो क्या है. एक्सेप्शन इज दैट देयर माइट बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी, देयर माइट बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट both of them reach at the same end together. Okay, ये किसी क्वेश्चन में ये पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है कि दोनों एक ही एंड में एक साथ पहुंच जाए. So let's say if Rahul and Nitish, they reach together at the same end. Okay, if they reach together at the same end. Now students, you can see if they reach at the same end together, now when the new round will start, okay, when the new round will start, students, Rahul is not going to meet Nitish क्योंकि राहुल तो फास्ट है. तो जैसे ही वो दोनों एक ही एंड पे पहुंचेंगे, after that Rahul will go ahead of Nitish and he is never going to meet Nitish. So students, this is the only exception when the faster one will not meet the slower one. I hope ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है. मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूं. फास्टर वाला अपने राउंड में स्लोअर वाले को डेफिनेटली मीट करेगा ही करेगा. सिर्फ एक ही केस में मीट नहीं करेगा. दैट आई हैव टोल्ड यू. Let's say if they are reaching at the same end together, and now when the new round will start, students, in that new round, faster one is not going to meet the slower one. Okay, now students, look at the ratio of their speeds. Okay, look at the ratio of their speeds. कहने से स्पीड का रेशियो राहुल और नितिश का है 7:3. Now students, think logically. When Rahul takes 7 rounds, अगर राहुल 7 rounds लेगा तो नितिश अपने 3 rounds लेगा. So students, if Rahul starts from here, after 7 rounds, where will be Rahul? Rahul is taking odd number of rounds. So if Rahul is taking odd number of rounds, Rahul will be at the opposite end. And in the same time, Nitish will take 3 rounds. So Nitish will also be at the opposite end. So students, इस केस में आप देखो, Rahul and Nitish, they will never be at the same end. Okay, you just need to understand this कि वो दोनों एक ही एंड पे कभी भी एक साथ नहीं आ सकते हैं. Because when Rahul takes odd number of rounds, Nitish also takes odd number of rounds, so they are always going to be at the opposite end. I mean, they can reach at the opposite end together, but they can never reach at the same end together. Okay, I hope this point is clear to all of you. Very important point. Now students, let's come to the question directly. Students, if you have understood this, trust me, you can do this question within 1 minute. Now see, we are looking for fourth meeting, right? Now see, we are not concerned where is the third meeting going to happen, right? हमें उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि third meeting कहाँ हुई है. But can we definitely say that when Rahul takes 3 rounds, by that time they must have met 3 times. राहुल ने अगर 3 राउंड लिए हैं, Rahul is the faster one, so they must have met 3 times. Okay. Now all we need to see is when Rahul takes 3 rounds, how many rounds Nitish has covered. So students, we can apply unitary method here. जब राहुल अपने 7 राउंड्स लेता है, we are using this ratio. जब राहुल अपने 7 राउंड्स लेता है, so कहने से in the same time Nitish takes 3 rounds. Now when Rahul takes 3 rounds, because when Rahul takes 3 rounds, they must have met 3 times. तो राहुल ने जब अपने 3 राउंड कवर किए होंगे, till then Nitish must have covered how much? I hope you can apply unitary method. 7:3 is the ratio, right? So this value comes out to be, जब ये 7 rounds लेता है तो ये 3 rounds लेता है, right? When Rahul will take 1 round, Nitish will take how much? Nitish will take 3/7 rounds. Now Rahul is taking 3 rounds, so Nitish must have taken 3 into 3/7, that is 9/7 rounds. I hope this point is clear to all of you. So हम कह सकते हैं जब राहुल ने अपने 3 rounds लिए हैं, Nitish has taken 9/7 rounds. Okay students, now students you can see, let's assume total distance to be t. Okay, I'm assuming the total distance to be t. So कहने से Nitish has covered 9t/7, right? क्योंकि उसने 9/7 rounds cover किए हैं. So total distance I have assumed t. So Nitish must have covered 9t/7. Now this 9t/7 is what? Basically this is t plus 2t/7. मतलब Nitish ने 1 राउंड तो पूरा लिया होगा. Nitish ने 1 राउंड तो पूरा लिया होगा. And 2/7 और भी लिया होगा, है ना? 2/7 of a round और extra लिया होगा. So Nitish must have taken this one complete round. Correct? And then 2/7 more. Okay, then 2/7 more. So कह रहे say that when Rahul has taken 3 rounds, Nitish has taken 9t/7. अब राहुल अपने 3 राउंड्स के बाद कहां होगा? राहुल अपने 3 राउंड्स के बाद कहां होगा? कहने से राहुल must be at the opposite end. Rahul must be here now. Okay, after 3 rounds. Now students, when Rahul has covered 3 rounds, where is Nitish? Can I say Nitish is here now? And students, we also know that this distance, right, from here till here, this distance is what? This is 2t/7. This is 2t/7. And students, we also know that by this time, they have already met 3 times. Now students, almost the question is over now. We know that they are now traveling in opposite direction, right? Rahul will be going towards left and obviously Nitish is going towards right. Now can I say this will be the 4th meeting? I mean, they will meet somewhere here. Now this will be the 4th meeting, right students? Now students, all of you already know that by the time Nitish will cover this much, Rahul will cover this much. Okay, जितनी देर में Nitish ये वाला distance cover करेगा, उतनी देर में राहुल ये वाला डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. And students, we also know the ratio of their speeds. So if ratio of their speeds is 7:3, can I say distance covered by them will be in the ratio of, right, in the same ratio they will cover the distance. So can I say Nitish must have covered 3 parts and Rahul will cover 7 parts. Mind you, Rahul is here now on the right hand side. So from here till here, Rahul will cover 7 parts. And from here till here, Nitish will cover 3 parts. Now students, what is this distance? ये distance बचा कितना है? This is 2t/7. This is 2t/7. So what is the total remaining distance? Can I say this total remaining distance is basically 5t/7, है ना? तो ये 5t/7 अब क्या हो रहा है? This 5t/7 they are covering together, right? Together they are covering 5t/7. Now, what do we need to find, students? We need to find how far will Nitish be from his starting point? अब Nitish का starting point कौन सा था? ये Nitish का starting point था. So how far will they meet from here? Okay, how far will they meet from here? So students, what do we need to find? Basically, we need to find this distance now, right? हमें ये distance निकालना है बस. Now, what is this distance? This distance is basically the distance which Rahul will cover now. यही तो हमें निकालना है जो distance Rahul cover करेगा. Now Rahul will cover how much, students? You can see together they are covering 10 parts. When Nitish covers 3, Rahul covers 7. Together they are covering 10 parts. So out of 10 parts, Rahul is covering how much? Rahul is covering 7 parts. Now what is the distance? This is the distance which they are covering together. So 5t by 7. This distance is covered by both of them. और उसमें राहुल ने कितना किया होगा? Rahul share must be 7 by 10 because he's covering 7 out of 10. Now students, if you solve this, the question is almost over. T by 2. Okay, T by 2. That means this distance which Rahul is covering, this is half of the total distance. Okay, this is half of the total distance. So students, the total distance is already given to us 110. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 110 by 2. 55 will be the answer. Guys, it's a great concept. Trust me, if you have understood it, you can save a lot of time, right? Else, if you solve it meeting by meeting, students, it will take a lot of time. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed this. Yeah, thank you everyone.